Each day, without you knowing it, your ears work miracles. They let you hear everything around you, and even clean themselves up using earwax. But having a lot of earwax isn't good. In fact, it's a sign that your ears are working in overdrive just to keep everything running smoothly. If you allow things to go on like this, tinnitus and hearing loss are next. So do me a favor. Take out a Q-tip and insert it in one of your ears. If the tip is absolutely caked in brown or yellow goo, that means your ears are no longer working as intended. In that case, you need to take action now. Click the link below to see how you can reverse ear damage and reclaim your God-given hearing abilities.